Ahoy mateys! I'm going to show you a quest which I'm going to do in the tavern, from the tavern. In my ship hold I've got some wood for repairs if I need to do something upon the sea. I've got food and rum so I can feed my sailors because I'm going to be going into a cold region. So without any further ado, we'll come out of that, we'll left click tavern, and there you can see a job for that amount and the same place. So we're going to take two. There's two missions we're going to take. So we'll escape out of that, press M for map, and then we're going to try and find those two missions. And there we go, that's one there, and that's the other one. So we'll take that one first. So go to the map, go to the barrels, that's where your missions are, and they tell you what those missions are. Then you right click the one you want, so right click, then you escape out of that, press space bar, check it, make sure you're good with it, and there we go, accept. Now you go M, map, now we're going to get the other one, which is here. So right click again there, which is on the way to where we want to go, which is that part there. See that where it's lit up? That tells you where you've got to deliver it to. That's your delivery address, if you like, and it's highlighted in that way. There you go, there. So we'll go to this one. Now we've got to go back onto that red line. That's where we've got to go to. See it, where you've got the X and the red line? So you just go through there. Now see those arrows, yeah? You can't let that go in the back of the ship because that will slow you down. I'll bring you to a halt. In fact, I'll show you now. So we're going to turn it in like that. And look, it's gone dead. It's gone dead because there's no wind. So you've got to keep those arrows off your back end. If you know, in the bottom right hand corner there's a little map, heads up map, that will help you, guide you to where you want to go. It's like a scanner, if you want, for want of a better word. So there we go, we're coming out, and we're going to move to that direction. There we go. We're going to navigate around those because you can't go through them. If you notice there in the that little scanner thing, what we'll call a scanner, you'll notice that ship went red on the scanner. That means they're going to go after you. But in this ship we can travel so fast that they give up straight away. They can't be bothered. Right, so now we've got to carry on going out. We can't go straight to the X because we just go dead. The wind is in the wrong position, so we've got to carry on going this direction so we can get there. See there, that's where we've got to get to. Now we spin around. What we're going to do is go S and then W again. If you notice, that's done really fast, so I'll do it again. But what it does, it's like puts you under it's like drifting, the equivalent of a car drifting, and it makes it a lot faster for you on your manoeuvrability. And here we go, we're coming up to that red X where we've got the delivery to do. And you've got to go into this port, see these little buoys, you've got to get within that area, then it comes up spacebar, enter to come out. Spacebar, spacebar, spacebar. WW, get onto the A button, bring yourself around. Like I say, you've got to read these tavern quests very carefully, because sometimes they'll say deliver it to a merchant on seas, other times they'll say to the ports. Press E. Where are we going? That way. Okay. So we travel just in that direction. One thing about PvP in this game is, unlike a lot of other games, you go to do PvP and you could possibly lose everything and you have to grind to get everything back again. In this game you don't. Now see these, there you go, let's click bang and drop.